Alec Mason is the lab director with Seacrest Laboratories in Montreal. He joins us via Skype tonight from San Diego, California. Hello there. Thanks for being with us.
Hi, how are you?
Doing well. So as we mentioned, many people have been led to believe bottled water is somehow cleaner and more pure than tap water. Were you surprised by these results?
Actually, indeed I am. We didn't expect that bottled water contained that high level of bacterial count. And in fact, we did a parallel study testing the tap water, and we found that tap water, they have low count of bacteria, total bacterial count, compared to bottled water that's in 70% of the sample we tested, different brand, different source. They are highly contain contain bacteria from 5,000 to up to 72,000 CFU, about 80,000 CFU. So these are live. We call it about CFU is the live bacterial cell we are talking. So basically, we don't expect to get that high number of bacteria count in bottled water or any drinking water.
So what kind of bacteria did you find?
This is an ongoing study. We are pursuing the type of bacteria, but what is for sure we can say that these we haven't found any link of this bacteria isolated to any pathogen. But again, these are unknown bacteria. Mysterious bacteria, whatever they call heterotrophic bacteria, and as per definition, they consider to be safe, but in what level, this is not established in regulation. But what in fact, if you are drinking a bottle of water, 1 liter per day of a certain brand, and contain 80,000 CFU, that means you are digesting 80,000 live bacteria. That's, you don't know what type of bacteria. Even if it's safe, the safety of this has to be determined by the manufacturer, by someone that's regulated.
What are the health effects of that?
Here we are not in the, we cannot elaborate this. This more study need to be done, and here we just show that we have seen a high count of bacteria in some type of bottled water. And you cannot say that's what would be the health effect. That's more study need to be done on this.
Well, I know that you looked at a number of brands. Can you tell us which brands were the worst?
We cannot disclose this information for now. I mean, we hope
Why not?
That manufacturer. Basically, this is the Canadian Food Inspection Agency is responsible to test control. And in fact, the bottled water, they release the water according to the regulations. And the point is that this regulation is not applied to bottled water in Canada, while in Europe might this regulation apply. They have to check for total bacterial count, and they have to verify. While in drinking water, the tap water that we drink, the total bacterial count test should be done, a baseline should be established, and if the bacterial count is high, then a raising flag should be done, and then more study need to be done.
Yeah, I just want to ask one last question. Has this research been corroborated by any other scientists?
This is the case study we started in our lab after having a case, and then we just finance it ourselves now. But hopefully we will look into it to collaborate with other researchers and bring it to another level.
Alec Mason, thank you so much for being with us. Appreciate it.
Thank you very much.